Hello, Chef here. So I got this nice ripe grapefruit and I'm getting ready to eat it. I'm going to show you a fast, easy way to juice the grapefruit using minimal tools. I've got a very sharp knife here. I'm going to cut it perfectly in half. Okay. Wow, look at that beautiful pink grapefruit. I don't want to take the time to go through segmenting and carefully removing each little piece. So I'm going to just quickly give it a squeeze like this. Stainless steel bowl. And you'll notice after you give it a good squeeze, you get about half a cup of juice or so. A little bit of pulp in there. Still a lot of juice left in here. At this point I like to use a ramekin. Just a ramekin like this. This is going to help smash and open up a lot of those small segments. There we go. I'm getting a lot more juice out of here now with the ramekin. Okay. It allows you to squeeze the fruit around the ramekin. Okay. Yeah. See what I did there? Nice. There's a lot more juice now. Next thing I do is use a stainless steel strainer and a vessel or glass and just dump that juice right into there. Press it down. Get as much through as you can. Okay. Discard this. And that right there is pure, fresh grapefruit juice. Give it a taste here. Wow. That's as good as it gets. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a great year. Check that baby out. Wicked. Sick and cool all at once. VG10 Super Steel.